What is your name?
Joshua.
From?
Zimbabwe.
Okay, I saw your passport. Your passport says you are a visitor, but you are working in South Africa. Why you don't have a working visa?
Oh.
You don't know?
No.
Sure. Your name?
I'm Wellington.
From where?
Zimbabwe.
Okay, what does your visa say? Your passport?
My passport is fine. My visa is expired.
Okay. Your passport says you can do what in South Africa?
I'm a visitor.
But what are you doing now?
I'm working.
You are working, but you must be a visit. You good? Which country from?
Zimbabwe.
What does your visa say? Your passport?
A visit.
Visit. Yeah. But you are working. How long have you been working here?
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
You good, my sister?
4 months.
What is your name?
My name is Esther Shumbu.
Shumbu. Which country from?
From Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe. Where are your documents?
I don't have.
You don't have? How did you come to South Africa?
Through the border.
Through the border, how? You paid someone?
I paid the police.
You paid the police how much?
200.
200 rand or US dollars or what? Or Zim dollar?
Rands.
200 rands? Then they allowed you in the country?
No.
When?
Last year.
Last of last year. Yo. So you're working here?
Yes.
How much they paying you a month?
4.8.
4.8? Oh, that's better. You good? What is your name?
My name is Sandra.
Sanda. Which country?
From Zimbabwe.
When did you come here?
Last year.
Last year. Where are your papers, your documents?
I don't have.
How did you come?
Came from border.
Border. You also paid?
Yeah.
How much did you pay?
300.
300 rand? Then they just allow you to come in?
Yeah.
Okay, sure.